Oh, here's my thumbnail.
Go.
How do I start?
Just slam the package down.
Hello everyone. So today I have my Glossiwear package. It actually wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow, but I saw on like the delivery app thing that it was at the post office, so I went to the post office. I feel like I got my package really quickly. I know that one of my friends ordered her packet, like her Glossiwear stuff, like as soon as I did too, and then she got an email over the weekend saying that it was going to be delayed like a week, so that's kind of annoying, but I got mine, so haha. So for those of you who don't know, but if you don't know, I don't know why you'd be watching this, Glossier came out with like a limited edition like clothing wear line, and it was supposed to be like a sweatshirt and stuff, but they kind of clickbaited all of us and came out with like a bunch of random shit instead. So while editing this video, I have realized that it is a little pointless because you can't buy anything anymore. So my recommendations pretty much mean nothing because it is not available. But keep watching, please. But anyways, when you open the package, cute. This is what it looks like. So I'm a stupid bitch and I ordered one of everything. So the first thing I'm gonna open is the duffel bag. It's honestly nicer than I thought it was gonna be, since like this was only $20 and I thought it was just gonna be plastic, but it is like canvas. I mean, okay, the strap looks kind of cheap, but for $20, what do you expect? I'm kind of surprised they did yellow, but I still like it. Yeah, I still like it. And then the inside, it's like lined kind of. It feels like more waxy on the inside, like it'd be easier to clean. The outside, I feel like you could just put it in the washing machine, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so the second thing is the slides that I got, but I ordered 37 to 38 and they sent me a 38 to 39, and I know they're gonna be too big, and that's kind of really annoying. I'm sad. Oh, they don't look too big. Oh, okay. They fit. I mean, they fit me, so it's fine, but what if they didn't fit me? That'd be like really annoying, especially because everything's sold out and they aren't doing like returns or anything. So these are weird. They're literally just like rubbery, kind of. Feels like a pool toy. I feel like they're gonna crease really easily. They're gonna get dirty really easily. They're really cute, like they look nice and stuff. And I mean, again, they were only 20 bucks, so I'm not expecting the quality to be like amazing. I don't know. They're cute, and I feel like they'll be cute as like pool shoes maybe, because they did say it was a summer collection, so maybe that's what they were like aiming for. Pretty cute. Okay, next. The next three things I got came in the little pouches. So these are the two clips that I got. There's this brand at Nordstrom Rack, and they make clips like this exact size, and they remind me a lot of those. It's like something Erickson, like Paul Erickson, I don't know, but they make really cute hair clips like these. I do think these were a little bit pricey for what they are, but they are really cute, and I'll probably wear these like every day because I always wear my hair in a clip, but right now I just have like a boring black one. So these will be nice to like spice it up a little bit. The next thing I got are these clips that you always see on like Instagram of celebrities having them in their hair, and they're supposed to be like holding their hair back, but it doesn't look like they're doing anything. But they're cute, so I still got them. I actually went to the Glossier store, and they were doing the promotion where if you spend $50 they give you a free pack of the pink ones, and I got them, and I wore them for the day, and they kind of slid out of my hair really easily, so I can say that. But I'll probably use them more to pin my hair back when I'm doing my makeup rather than just wearing them out. I think these were $10 or $12 and not the best quality, but cute. And the last thing that I got was the marble comb. I thought it was like gonna be one of those like wide tooth combs that you use in like the shower to like detangle your hair, but it's like a comb that you like do like, not that, but like something like that, like, or you could put it in like the back of your hair. For this one, I don't know like what else they could do with it. I mean, it's just like a simple comb and they made it cute by doing like a marble pattern or whatever, so I like this one a lot. Once again, this is where I had filmed an outro, but I'm realizing that it is useless and probably nobody cares and probably nobody made it to this point. So this is it instead. It was limited edition. You can't buy it anymore unless somebody is selling it on Depop. Bye. So thank you everybody for watching my video. The last time I posted was like several months ago, so we'll see what happens after this one. Bye.